This revolutionary farming technique allows you to harvest up to 52 plants per square meter without the necessity for soil. Today we're going to demonstrate our propagation strategy for growing soilless lettuce on an aeroponic tower. To get started, soak your agriculture rock wool in water for 20 minutes until it is completely saturated. Rock wool is a soilless substrate that is made from basalt rock, which comes from the lava of volcanoes. This substrate is regularly used in hydroponics and aeroponics. After your rock wool has soaked, now place one lettuce seed per hole. There are 98 holes per tray. It is essential to know that if you put more than one seed per hole, it will overcrowd the growing ports and you will get inferior yields. It doesn't matter if you're growing romaine, batavia, oak leaf, salanova, lola, or iceberg lettuce, always put one seed per hole when cultivating fully grown lettuce. After placing 98 seeds, it is now time to place the vermiculite on top of each hole. Vermiculite is a naturally occurring mineral that is ideal for the germination process and provides the perfect water-to-air ratio. Next, we're going to label our tray in order to be able to easily identify the seedlings once they've germinated. Lastly, when growing outdoors, water your seedlings twice a day for optimal results, and within 2 weeks your seeds will have germinated and the seedlings will be ready for transplanting on the aeroponic tower. It then only takes 1 month of growth until you can harvest your aeroponic lettuce.